Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. In the background of the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, it is apparent that Order 7, Rule 11 under bracket 2 CPC application is maintainable only when the suit is barred by any law. The expression law included in Rule 11 under bracket D includes law of limitation, and it would also include the law declared by the Honorable Supreme Court. The controversy in State of Maharashtra versus Atlanta Limited AIR 2014 SC 1093 under bracket Supra was with respect to choice of forum between the High Court exercising ordinary original civil jurisdiction and the principal civil court of original jurisdiction in a district. In State of Maharashtra versus Atlanta Limited, the arbitration award in favor of Atlanta Limited was challenged by the State of Maharashtra under Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 before the district judge Thane, and on the same day Atlanta Limited filed arbitration petition before the High Court of Judicature at Bombay for setting aside some of the directions issued by the arbitral tribunal. Thereafter, the Atlanta Limited moved an application under Section 24 CPC seeking transfer of the miscellaneous applications filed by the State of Maharashtra to the High Court on its original side for being heard along with arbitration petition number 1158 of 2012. The said application was allowed by the High Court. The decision of the High Court transferring the miscellaneous applications filed before the District Court Thane to the High Court of Judicature at Bombay was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court. In the aforesaid factual matrix, the Honorable Supreme Court held that based on the legislative intent emerging from Section 2 under bracket 1E of the 1996 Act, challenge under Section 34 was to be adjudicated upon by the High Court of Bombay alone. The Honorable Supreme Court noticed that both the High Courts as also the District Judge Thane are within the definition of court under Section 2 under bracket 1E, and both the courts had jurisdiction in respect of the subject matter. The Honorable Supreme Court held that within the area of jurisdiction of Principal District Judge Greater Mumbai, only the High Court of Bombay was exclusively competent court in its ordinary original civil jurisdiction to adjudicate upon the matter. Section 2 under bracket 1E of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 reads as under: Court means the principal civil court of original jurisdiction in a district and includes the High Court in exercise of its ordinary original civil jurisdiction, having jurisdiction to decide the questions forming the subject matter of the arbitration if the same had been the subject matter of a suit but does not include any civil code of a grade inferior to such principal civil court or any court of small causes. Stop.